Good morning!
Good morning!
Good morning from Sicily!
Today we are in Gangi and with the San Filippo's family.
With the beautiful San Filippo family, and we are very happy because today is a beautiful sunny day, more fresh than yesterday.
Yes.
Yesterday was very hot. You already know Giampiero. Giampiero is our driver.
But I'm not happy today because it's the last day with the San Filippo's family for me. So I'm not happy, but it's okay.
But you will see them again in the
Yeah,
future.
of course.
No doubt about
I
this.
hope.
Guys,
Good morning.
now it's time to enjoy Gangi. So I want to show you again the vehicle is very comfortable. Look at this. And we are ready for our walking tour of Gangi. So Giampiero, see you, I think, in an hour. Yeah.
Okay. See you. Bye.
Ciao.
When the Ventimiglia family arrived here, as I said, the Ventimiglia had a lot of properties here in the Madonie mountains, Sicily, Castelbuono, which is wonderful town. Another important village of the Madonie mountains, which was on the top of a mountain 1,000 meters high. Then they decided to go down because Castelbuono is only 407 meters above the sea level, and the name Castelbuono means good air. So Castelbuono is the castle where you can breathe a good air. So, and it was also convenient because it was nearest to the sea, so it was better also for the another important event that happened in the 15th century was the
Sorry guys, the internet connection fell down. I'm live again. So welcome back to Gangi. Gangi is a beautiful medieval town just in the heart of the Madonie nature reserve. And I can tell you that this is one of my favorite one. Look at that beautiful decoration, like Christmas lights, but they are grain, spike of grains.
neoclassical style, the so-called Liberty style. We have also beautiful frescoes inside this building. It's a treasure of Gangi. We have another important building like this, going on. It's Palazzo Buongiorno. It was the dwelling of a noble family lived here in the 19th century. And it was also the seat of an important cultural academy, the so-called Accademia degli Industriosi. Gangi in the 18th and 19th century was an important cultural center of the Madonie mountains. And this building was built by this noble family, the family Buongiorno. Good morning, no?
Guys, good morning. Everyone want to know about you. Are you fine? You are beautiful.
Beautiful day.
Great.
Beautiful day.
A lot cooler today.
Less, the temperature is better today, right?
Temperature is much better today.
Yeah. Missy would like to say hello to Jerry.
Hi, Jerry.
Also,
Hi,
Tom.
Hi, Alisa.
They are fine, as you can see. They are enjoying Gangi. And where else? The food is great here in
Food is
Sicily.
great
Food
here.
is great.
This is the problem of Sicily.
We're going to bring home about 5 extra pounds. But,
Oh, more than that.
Or more.
More than that.
And so, let's continue this tour.
Make you notice something. You see the name of this square is Piazzetta Zoppo di Gangi. You see? Zoppo di Gangi. Zoppo means cripple. You know? It was the nickname of a famous local painter. His name was Giuseppe Salerno. But there was also another painter.
Look at this beautiful view.
Here we have Palazzo Buongiorno. Beautiful fresco third floor made by Gaspare Fumagalli, a Roman painter who was active in Palermo, together with his father-in-law, Pietro Martorana, another important painter of Palermo. And this building is now the seat of the town hall of Gangi.
Now be ready for a tasty stop. Yes, this is the place.
Andiamo prima un'occhiata.
Guys, see you later. Now we need a tasty stop here to enjoy pistachio, biscuits, pastry. So see you later. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. Live again from Gangi, just in the heart of the Madonian Nature Reserve. So, we had the tasty stop in this place. It's very famous for the almond toasted and for torrone. And now they are enjoying the visit, the guided visit of Gangi. We are approaching the mother church and the main square of this beautiful medieval town. So authentic, so nice people, and in my opinion, this is one of my favorite towns in the Madonie Nature Reserve. Our friends are inside the mother church. They are visiting the church. And in the meantime, I can share with you this beautiful place. As you can see, it's very quiet. Not so many tourists, because even if our borders are open, we have not so many travelers, so of course. And I would like to remind you that we are very excited because this is the first custom private tour before the pandemic. So sorry, after the pandemic, not before. And they are wonderful people, so friendly, so sweet. They have origin here in Sicily, and so they are true Sicily lovers. You can see spike of grains everywhere because this is the city, so the town where every summertime in August there is a big festival dedicated to the grain. They celebrate the metra and the grain. Gangi is full of narrow streets, and so you can enjoy this town just strolling around the corners. Every corner is so nice, so cute. And be ready for the wow, because we are approaching a beautiful, stunning view. Buongiorno, buona domenica. I hope that the quality of the video of this live broadcast is clear enough, and so you can enjoy this beautiful view. Look at this beautiful roof. This tree is beautiful during the Christmas time. It's full of lights and it's beautiful. Gangi is beautiful also during the Christmas time. This is the Mother Church.
Si è perso, signore, si è perso.
No, siamo in diretta, è nel mondo. Fate un bel saluto.
Ciao! Lei non è americano,
No,
allora parlava inglese.
eh.
Buongiorno carissima,
Buongiorno,
come va Ciarate?
ci rivediamo.
Mi fa piacere.
Siamo sempre in diretta.
Come va? Bene?
Bene, siamo con i primi 5 americani.
Mi fa piacere.
Sei chiuso?
No, no, aperto.
Ah, e allora che fa? Li facciamo passare da te?
Sì,
Ok, ci vediamo tra
va
poco.
bene.
Look at this beautiful narrow street. So quiet. I think that everybody is sleeping because it's Sunday. Guys, I have to come back to my beautiful friends. And so we will go live later, of course. We will visit Castelbuono, another beautiful town that belongs to the Madonie Nature Reserve. And where else? See you in, I think, a couple of hours from Castelbuono. Before ending this live broadcast, let me say thanks to Caterina and Daniela for these beautiful earrings that they belong to our pottery jewelry collection, and there is also a crochet part here, and this beautiful necklace with prickly pears. See you later, guys. We love you. It's time to enjoy Gangi with my friends. So, love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. Ciao. See you later. Oh, please don't forget to visit our new online store, SicilyLovers.com, the first and the biggest 100% online store with beautiful items handmade in Sicily with love, just for you. Ciao!
Una crema di nocciole e manna. Nocciole e manna, sì. No? No, ma la crema di manna è solo nocciole e manna. È sempre stato nocciole e manna, no? Invece qua lo volete assaggiare un pezzettino e faccio assaggiare agrumi e zafferano. Si trova nelle latte che abbiamo fatto la collaborazione con Dolce Gabbana. Prego. Prego.
Lo so che non mi deve alzare questo cuore.
Ah, si dove? Ah, fammi fare ora e basta.
Guys, welcome to Castelbuono. Castelbuono is another beautiful medieval town in the heart of the Madonie Nature Reserve. This is our second stop of the day. We enjoyed a tasty stop in Fiasconaro to test panettone. They are very famous in the world for the panettone. And now we are enjoying the walking tour here in Castelbuono. And then we will be back to Cefalù. So this is the main square. Castelbuono is very small, the historic center, so it's an easy walk. The main road is pedestrian. People are enjoying an aperitif. we are approaching the castle. A small tour of Castelbuono for you, dear Sicily lovers. Now I have to come back to our friends. They are waiting for me to have lunch together. And so I wish you a great Sunday. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a day completely dedicated to food. And a lot of food experiences waiting for us. We love you. Thank you for watching. Again, we wish you a great Sunday. And if you want to help us spread the love for Sicily, please share our new online store, SicilyLover.com, where you can find beautiful handmade Sicilian artwork like this. And this beautiful handmade crochet bag. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. Ciao, beautiful Sicily lovers!